with a slow motion crew, and we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Dave Vlogs. I hope you guys are absolutely fine and doing really great in these times of quarantine when the whole world is stuck in, Corona. And definitely don't need to tell this again and again. But then, as much as I wanted to go out and make some content for my channel, but it was really not possible here in Ireland too. So I decided why not give a house tour, which was long due. So right now where I'm sitting, this area is the kitchen. So we have rented this place for 1 year. There are like 3 guys, 3 of us renting this place for like 1 year. It's a pretty good deal, which I'm gonna tell in detail. This area that I'm sitting in right now is quite comfortable, and yeah, this is the dining table that we had previously here, and it's quite a nice dining table. It's nice to sit here and have a meal with your friends and maybe your guests that come in. Most of the time we do have guests. We have a friend here who's like most fond of having guests around in this house, and so it's pretty good to have a dining table area where you can sit around with your friends and enjoy. And then we also have this refrigerator, which apparently has less food than the other days because it's Corona time. So availability of food is not really, it's an issue right now, availability of food here. But then also we do have some food here. So, but then yeah, now here this is the gas stove where we cook our food, followed by the oven attached to it, which is below it. And there's also a microwave where you can warm your food. This area is the area where we can clean our dishes. And then also we have a door here which leads into the backyard. It's really important to have an area and backyard, even if you're living in rent, I believe, because that lets your mind, see the greenery, see the sky, go out and be sane-minded for most of the time, and especially during times like this. Also has a sofa on which we sit like most of the time when we have to think about something, or we're talking and gossiping about something, or someone is cooking dinner or lunch for us and we have to just sit, chill and relax.
Like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock, drumming around in your head.
So this was the kitchen area, especially the area where we sit most of the time. It's the most fun part of the house. But yeah, moving on from the kitchen to the drawing area. This is the drawing room area where, of course, as I told you in the kitchen, we love to chill, relax and enjoy. Apparently every room is famous for that, but this is one of the most favorite rooms right after the kitchen area for me. I don't know about the others, for me this is one of the most favorite areas for me, right after the kitchen, because most importantly it has a fireplace, which is my favorite. It's to be noted that we do pay a bill for this because this is operated by the gas. So yeah, the bills are really costly for gas, so you can basically run it for an hour or 2 during the winter season, but then not really more than that. Also this room has sofas with apparently really comfy cushions, which are really comfortable to sit on and discuss important matter with your friends, chill, just have a drink near the fireplace, talk about the day after the classes, and it's really fun here to stay. And yeah, this room is well lit with one light, which is like sarcastic because it requires some kind of more lighting, but then nevertheless it has one light which lights up the entire room, which I personally like because of the color of the light, of course. But yeah, that's all about it. This is the drawing room, followed by which I want to introduce you the entrance of the house. This is the ground floor where we're right now standing, which had the kitchen and the drawing room. So the most important part of the house, the bedroom, which is like the room where all of us, 3 of us, spend most of the time because quarantine time. So yeah, let's go to the bedroom, which is, here's the steps that leads to the bedroom. These are the steps. And apparently before introducing you guys to the bedroom, I would like to take my time and introduce you guys to the most essential part of the house, that is one bathroom that we have. We don't have 2-3 bathrooms, it's just one bathroom. This apparently is the bathroom which we have, and which is pretty much tidy because we clean it up every day. So that's the bathroom we have. We have a shower here along with a bathtub. Yeah, that's it. That's all about the bathroom. There's nothing much to say. You know what to do here. So apparently after the bathroom comes the bedroom, which is my bedroom, which is directly attached to the bathroom. Not really attached to the bathroom, but right besides the bathroom. So this is my bedroom. Let's hop in. Yeah, so that's the bed I sleep on, followed by the table I work on, followed by the dressing table, which I apparently do not use to comb my hair. I just comb my hair however I like, wherever I like. So yeah, that's it has got a pretty much a lot of spaces, like drawers, loads of slits of drawers, keep my stuff. And yeah, that's the table I work on. That's my working table, which is kind of a table which you would find really old, but we had no options because that was the table that was provided by our house owners apparently. And that's the bed where I sleep in, which is a really comfortable bed. You know, whenever I sit on this bed, it just melts away. So it's really comfortable. Also, apparently my room has a cupboard, which I'm not going to open because it's really messy. But then I can just give you guys a peep into it. That's like the cupboard, which is a huge cupboard actually. It's a huge cupboard, huge ass cupboard. The most interesting part about my bedroom is the view, which is something like this. Which is the view of a football field, not just a football field and a tennis court and a park and those mountains. Those are also the mountains which we were planning to go, but because of this goddamn fucking corona, we couldn't really go to the mountains as of now, which apparently there's a plan to go in like the coming few months. And yeah, you should really see those mountains. It's really beautiful. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but I think you should with the clouds. So this roommate that I have, whose name I'm really not going to mention because he won't like me mentioning his name, but then he is definitely a very good cook, and he's from Hyderabad and he knows how to decorate his room. But then right now it's a bit messy because he didn't really have time to arrange his room and go back to his house because, you know, flight schedules and the looming deadline on us that was apparently like a ghost to us at that time in March. So yeah, followed by my room, we come into his room, which is this. And also adjacent to his room is this space where we have the controls for our water heaters and the water system, and has some storage where we keep our stuff. The stuff we carry our things into this house. So yeah, that's it. So going to his room looks like this, and it's really dusty right now because apparently it has been closed from like 2 months. Yeah, this is his room with beautiful decorations and photographs of the trips he has taken along with his friends from various places. I say this guy has roamed around a lot in Europe, like after he came, much more than what we did. And also this is some kind of decoration he recently brought. The best part is this, he has a good curtain with blinds, which works fine, which I don't have blinds in my room. I just have the curtain, so 5:30, 4:30, whenever the sun comes out, I just have to wake up. It's a cozy room, and followed by his room. He also has a cupboard, which is I don't intend to open his cupboard, but this cupboard is a smaller version of a cupboard, smaller than what I have there. So yeah, but I believe his stuff fits in perfectly well here. The third and the last room that we have in this house is my third roommate's room, which is this, and which apparently looks like this. Yeah, so that's his room. He has this tiny bed where he sleeps on. It's really comfortable, at least comfortable than my bed. But then there's one problem with his bed. It melts out too much, you know, it's too cushiony, you know. He complains sometimes to me that, you know, he does have backaches when he's sleeping on this bed, but then it's always good to have a bed than to sleep on the floor. So, you know, can't complain much. So it's good, it's pretty much a good bed. And he has this working space here where he works. Those are his equipments, and that's his little chair. So speaking of the chair, not really a quite comfortable chair. Whenever one sits on this chair, you feel the pressure of the earth, you know, on your, you know, whatever it is. I don't need to mention the word here. So you know, it's really not a comfortable chair, but then it's good to work, sit down in this space and work, because he has this window which leads to the view of the outside. That's the front area, which is like the entrance of this house. Yeah, this is his new phone which he brought. So that's it. That's all about this room which which he stays in. And also, yeah, I always forget to mention this. This is his cupboard. This is like half the size of the cupboard that I have in my room, and like a bit bigger than what my second roommate has. So that's it. That's all about the house. This is like the bedroom area of bedroom space of this house, and the most important area, because these are the rooms where we all stay in most of the time. And apparently now, as it's the quarantine time, and there's no option rather than staying in your room and going through study stuff and I know, working on videos and just going about reading the news of this world, whatever is going on in Europe, India, everywhere in this earth. You know, I know it's a hard time, so I believe I should call this space the most important space of this house right now. And now coming to how much we pay for this house in Ireland. We pay 366 euros each for this house, which we got on lease for like 1 year. And yeah, that's all about this house. I hope you enjoyed the house tour, which was long due. I'm really sorry, because I always say this, that I want to make sure I'm going to make videos regularly, and which I cannot because, you know, work schedule and research and everything is going on. You know, we have exams, research going on, and I need to look up into stuff, and we need to do different kind of stuff and everything. And I also promised my viewers that I'm going to do some videos in my native language, which is Assamese, which I'm going to do in a mixed type of format, because I cannot possibly do every video in Assamese language. I also need to do some kind of videos in English language. So I hope you guys understand as a viewer, and I hope you guys keep loving and supporting me through my channel. And I want you guys to like this video, and even if you don't like this video, please hit the dislike button, because the like button and the dislike button are the most important components of a video. So, and yeah, I hope you subscribe to this channel, my channel, Dave Vlogs, and I hope you recommend my channel to your friends, your near and dear ones. Yeah, and yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful time at your house with your family during this quarantine period, these hard times when we have a pandemic ongoing. Yeah, that's it. So I won't elongate this video further. I hope you guys have a safe time ahead, and I hope everything that's going on in this world comes to an end, slowly but fast, because I don't want to be stuck inside the house with this pandemic forever. Yeah, that's it. So bye, take care, and have a safe day. I also forgot to mention one thing which is very important, is to share my videos with your friends, family, and your near and dear ones, so that they know about my channel, they watch my videos, and I get a fair amount of reach. Please, thank you so much.